Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be swatching the Cirque Colors Daylight Collection along with showing you some dreamy cloud nail art. This collection includes 2 sheer shades and 4 sparkling toppers. They're all very pretty, all very romantic and dreamy. I'm going to start with the swatches first, with the first shade being Lavender Sky. This is a sheer pastel lilac purple polish that has a jelly formula and transparent finish. I'll be doing 3 coats so you can see how it builds. The first coat is really great if you just want something natural, and then as you can see with the second coat, we get a little bit more color. Something I notice is that these dry very shiny and they apply very evenly, which I love. And as you can see here with the third coat, you get even more color but still the sheer look. Next is Morning Tide. This is a sheer French blue jelly that also has a transparent finish. I feel like this is leaning towards a little bit of a periwinkle shade, which I've come to really enjoy. That's also the color of the year for 2022, I'm pretty sure. It's also described as a powder blue on the Cirque Colors website, and that's definitely a perfect description for it. Here is the third coat, and again, these dry so glossy and the color applies very evenly, which is really appreciated with jellies. Quick question, did anyone else just not get jelly polishes at first, but now you're obsessed with them? Because that's definitely me. Now on to the toppers. The first one is Silver Lining, which has silver metallic flakes that are very shiny with a mirror effect. I'm going to show you 1 coat over both sheers, but of course this would look great over pretty much any color. Next is Nimbus, which is a sparkling silver glitter topper that has ultra fine glitter. This one is great if you just want to add a subtle shimmer to your manicure. I'm showing 1 layer. Here is Lumiere. This is a micro gold holographic dust topper using very fine glitter as well. And again, this is 1 coat over both the sheer polishes, which give a barely there magical finish. And for the last topper, we have Azure Dream, which is an iridescent shimmer in a clear blue base. This one shifts between pink, gold, and green depending on how the light hits it. I only show 1 coat over the sheers, but you can check out how cool it looks over a black base on the Cirque Colors website. So that's it for this collection, and now I'm going to show you how to do these dreamy cloud nails. Starting off, I'll be applying a base coat. Then I'm going to take Lavender Sky and apply it to one side of the nail. I'll be doing the same with Morning Tide, but applying to the other half so that they start to blend together. Once dry, I'll add another layer to begin the gradient effect. I did a total of 3 layers to get the look I was going for, and thankfully these sheers have a thinner formula, so they will dry really well even with 3 layers. Now I'm going to add 1 layer of Nimbus for some sparkle. Then I'll be taking a dotting tool and white polish to add a cluster of dots onto the nail. Then repeating the same steps to create more clouds. Finally, I'm adding a layer of top coat for some extra gloss and long-lasting wear. And that's it for these cute pastel cloud nails. I really hope you enjoyed seeing this design, plus the Cirque Colors Daylight collection. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.